So today we have a ASMR unboxing for this Apple iPhone SE second edition. Well, this is 2021 edition, not the 2020. So let's go ahead and open this up. So you guys know this is 2021 edition because this is the box is slimmer and they don't come with the charging adapter anymore, so that's why. And also the earphone, they don't come with the wire earphone anymore as well. Go ahead and open this up. I don't know why it's open already, but probably from shipping. So here is the brand new spanking phone. And I'll only come with the charging adapter. Oops. And you get this SIM card eject tool. And only one Apple sticker before you come with two of them. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.